choppers, welcome to today's edition of Yummylicious Chop. Don't be bothered the way my pot look. I boiled chicken in the pot, and that's like spices that is left, and then that's like the chicken oil that is remaining in the pot. And so we are gonna be making vegetable fried rice or vegetable rice. Stay tuned. So guys, I went ahead and added my tomato and my green onion into the oil, and as you can see, I'll just stir fry it for a bit. You can stir fry it for about 3 to 7 minutes until the tomato is a little bit dry, and then I'll go ahead and add my green spices puree into it. I went ahead and added our green spices, and as you can see, green spices blended. I blended rosemary, cilantro, what else did PSC, and what else did I blend? A little bit of black pepper together with the green spices. And so now I'm gonna add the vegetable. So I went ahead and added my spinach vegetable. You can use njama, you can use bitter leaf, you can use green, you can use cabbage, whatever vegetable leaf you have around you. You can just cut it, chop it, or whatever, and wash it, and then you put it after you fry all your spices. You want to put it, or all the wet spices or ingredients. You want to put the vegetable, you stir, and then you add the rice, and then you put the dry spices like you see me do. So you want to stir in the vegetable very well, and then I'll go ahead to add the rice. Guys, for this style, you want to go ahead and boil your rice separate until it's fully ready, and then you mix everything up, and then you just add the rice into the whole pot, and then mix everything up and stir everything up to look even. So guys, you want to go ahead, after putting the rice, you sprinkle your dry seasonings on it. This one, as you can see, is the paprika. I got it from Winco. I shop a lot at Winco. I do all my groceries at Winco. Just sprinkle a little bit, and then this one is chili powder. You go ahead and sprinkle. For those of you back home who want to know what chili is, that's this thing. See, you can use your own spices or seasonings that you have. So I'll go ahead and just mix everything up. Choppers, it looks a little bit messy around here, but don't bother, I'm going to clean it up. This is how it looks, and I'll go ahead and plate it. I already went ahead to fry some chicken. As you can see, it's right here, and I'll just go ahead and plate it, and you guys enjoy vegetable rice. Share the video for others to enjoy this delicious, yummy-licious food with you, or Yummylicious Chop with you. Thank you guys, love you guys so much, and thank you for all the support that you've been giving me by sharing, liking, commenting. And special thanks to my favorite 3 on commenting on all my videos. I'm sure the next time I'm going to be talking about your comments too. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned to Yummylicious Chop as I bring you more interesting, delicious, and Yummylicious food. Bye bye.